Hello friends. In last video we learnt noun number. Today we are going to learn noun gender. Friends, take out your notebook and write down some important points. Let us see here, friends, there are four kinds of genders in English language. They are as following. Let us see first one, that is masculine gender. Then what is meant by masculine gender? Any living being that denotes a male is called as masculine gender. Some examples are boy, lion, king, man, etc. So, let us see here friends, there are four kinds of genders in English language and they are as following. So, first one masculine gender, then what is meant by masculine gender? Any living being that denotes a male, that is known as what? Masculine gender. Some examples of masculine gender are boy, lion, king, man, etc. After that, second one is, that is feminine gender. So what is meant by feminine gender? Any living being that denotes a female is called as feminine, gender. And some examples of feminine gender are girl, lioness, queen, after that woman, etc. These are some examples of what? Feminine gender. Let us see what is meant by feminine gender. Any living being that denotes a female is called as what? Feminine gender. Some examples are girl, lioness, queen, woman, etc. After that, we have to see third one, that is common gender. Then what is meant by common gender? Any living being that denotes either a male or a female is called what? Common gender. And some examples of common gender are teacher, doctor, friend, child, parent, etc. So let us see, common gender means what? Any living being that denotes either a male or a female. It is known as what? Common gender. And some examples are given here: teacher, doctor, friend, child, parent. Means we can use teacher for both, for man or woman. We can use doctor, this noun, for man and woman, or male or female. Okay, we can use this noun friend for male or female. Okay, so that is why such nouns are known as what? Common gender. Okay, and last, fourth one, that is what? Neuter gender. So what is mean by neuter gender? Neuter gender denotes something, neuter gender denotes something that is neither male nor female. Okay, neither male nor female. And all living things, sorry, all non-living things, belong to this category. Trees and flowers trees and flowers also belong to this category. So let us see here, friends, what is mean by neuter gender. Neuter gender denotes something that is neither male nor female. Okay, and all non-living things belong to this category, and as well as trees and flowers also belong to these categories. Some examples of neuter gender are table, chair, box, book, tree, roads, etc. These are some examples of what? Neuter gender. So let us see here, friends, what we will revise it again. Noun gender, there are 4 kinds of gender in English language, and these 4 kinds of genders are as following. First one, masculine gender. Then what is mean by masculine gender? Any living being that denotes a male is known as what? Masculine gender. Some examples are given here. What? Boy, lion, king, man, etc. After that, second one is what? Feminine gender. Any living being that denotes a female, that is known as what? Feminine gender. And some examples of feminine gender are what? Girl, lioness, queen, woman, etc. After that, third one, common gender. Any living being that denotes either a male or a female is called as common gender. Means we can use these nouns for both male or female. Okay, teacher, doctor, friend, child, parent, etc. These nouns are known as what? Common gender. Okay, and last one, neuter gender. Neuter gender denotes something that is neither male nor female, and all non-living things belong to this category. Even trees and flowers also belong to these categories. Okay. After that, some examples of neuter gender are table, chair, box, book, pen, tree, rose, etc., etc. So friends, after that, we will turn towards the question, write the feminine gender of following nouns. Here are some nouns written on the board and we have to find out the feminine genders of given noun. Let us see friends, first one, actor. What is the feminine gender of actor? Then it will become actress. What? Actor, actress. Second one, boy. It will become what? The feminine gender of boy is what? Girl. After that, what is the feminine gender of brother? That will become what? Sister. Next one, what? Bull. That is what? Cow. After that, what is the feminine gender of what? Cock. It will become hen. After that, what is the feminine gender of dog? It will become bitch. Then father, mother. Fox, we have to write here what? Vixen. After that, gentleman, not gentlewoman here. We have to write here what? Lady, not gentlewoman. Remember it, okay? Gentleman, lady. God, it will become goddess. Hero, all of we know that. Heroine. Hero, heroine. Horse, it will become mare. Husband, all of we know that. Husband, wife. King, it will become what? Queen. Lion, it will become what? Lioness. After that, man, it will become what? Woman. Nephew, niece. Ox, that is cow. Papa, mama. Prince, it will become princess. Like this. After that, next one, 21st, that is sir, it will become what? Madam. Son, it will become what? Daughter. Son, daughter. After tiger, it will become tigress. After that, uncle, aunt. Host, hostess. After that, poet, it will become poetess. Emperor, empress. After that, master, it will become mistress. Next, bachelor, we can write here maid or spinster. Maid or spinster, okay? After that, pig, the feminine gender of pig is so. After that, feminine gender of drake is what? Duck. After that, feminine gender of drone is what? It's bee. After that, a monk, it will become nun. After that, next 34th one, gander, that will become what? Goods. Okay? It will become goods. Next one, ram, it will become Eve. Ram means what? Ram means male sheep and Eve means what? Female sheep. Okay? After that, wizard, which. Bridegroom, it is bride. Peacock, it will become peahen. Sultan, it will become what? Sultana. And last one, widower, it will become what? Widow. So here we have found out the feminine gender of given nouns. So here we have finished this lesson. Okay, thank you.